Hey guys, for Lab 33 Justin's Lawn Care, nothing really new on this one. Start by downloading and extracting lawn. This contains all your image files. Again, you want to then take your image folder. Okay, over here, images. Again, here's all your different images. You want to bring your folder and put it back on your desktop in lawn. So when you're back in Dreamweaver, it should be right here for images. Nothing else is there. Again, make sure you don't have the zip file sitting in there. Get rid of that, clean that up. So here is your template that you went back and you've made. We have an image on the actual page background. At this point in time, we've modified the CSS. So when you're ready to show this to me, again, preview in browser, open this up. Again, this is your, right now, this is your template. Let me pull back up the index page, close out the template. Let me open up the index. Sorry about that. So the index has the information on here. I do want to see your template, okay, because this information should only be on your index page. So let's preview this in browser. So here is your index. Again, let's test out your links here. Again, don't click on anything just yet. Just hover over. Again, still going to be like a lighter green underlined. That's the only thing that's going to happen on that. So each of your pages should have a link out to the new page we've made. So here's your services page. Nothing there. Landscape, this is where you have all your different pictures, okay? So slowly scroll down so I can see your different pictures on here. Down to the footer, go back to your prices, quote, contact. Again, here you should have an email link. Just mouse over this. You don't have to click on it. Again, I'll be looking at what's in the lower left-hand corner where it says mail to justinlcs@justin.net. So that way I know it's there, but you do not have to click on that. But again, that's pretty much everything for Justin's Lawn Care.